Hey friends, if you wish to change Windows 11 lock screen timeout, then please watch this video. Interestingly, people keep on asking, is there even a lock screen timeout? Because they don't see that feature in the settings. See, here's the thing. If you search for screensavers and click on change screensaver and then add a screensaver, even if it's a blank screensaver, even if it is a black page, then you can create a timer here and then click on resume display logon screen, click on apply and then on OK. So now you don't actually have a screensaver, it's just a blank black page, but when you return it would be a lock screen, and this is how you can set a lock screen timeout. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.